Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. Today we will see how can we do uh, any problem like subtraction or addition even by using bar models. Okay, bar models means whatever the information is given, you will put all the informations together in the one plate and then it will be easy for you to find out the answer. Okay, so first we will see the use of bar model for addition. So if you see the example 1 that is given in your textbook, some children they went for some picnic. Okay, so they prepared some number of sandwiches. Okay, so all mothers have prepared some sandwiches. Out of that sandwiches, 62 they have eaten and 26 were still left. So we have to find out how many sandwiches mothers prepared. Okay, so whatever the information is given, we will put it side by side. How many eaten? 62. How many left? 26. Okay, so what will be the total number of sandwiches? So we have to go with addition. So we know how to add 62 plus 26. Right beta? 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. So total sandwiches made is 88. Out of which 62 they have already eaten. 26 are left, right? So this is how we will use the bar model to complete the solution, right? Or to get the solution. Now we will see how can we do for subtraction. Now we will see how we will use bar model for subtraction. Okay. So in example 1 it is given there is a flower bouquet in which some roses and some asters are there. Okay. Now we don't know how many roses are there. So we know that only there are 45 as flowers are there, right? So total number of flowers they have is 45. Out of that 27 are the roses. Now we have to find out how many asters are there in the flower bouquet. Okay. So we will put all the information together. Okay. That 27 roses, asters we don't know. So we have to find out. That means what? This plus this should be equal to this. Right. This plus this should be equal to this. Okay. Now this plus this should be equal to this means what? If we will subtract this from this, we will get this. That means if we will subtract the number of roses from total number of flowers, we will get the number of asters, right? So we will go with the subtraction. Now 45 minus 27. Regrouping, this will be 3, this will be 1. So 15, 15 minus 7, that is 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. So here we can write 18 asters were there. Okay. We can check also. I told you how to check. So just we will check 27 plus 18. 7 plus 8, 15, 5, carry 1. So 45. Okay. So this is the total number of flowers that were in the bouquet. So there were 27 roses and 18 asters. So this is how we will do the subtraction. Now sometimes we need to compare. Okay, so how many more, how much more, like that. So when that more one comes with a more word, it shows comparison. So how can we do this using this bar model? That we will see now, right? Now let us see the comparison sums. Okay, one girl Sushmita, she have 2 albums. Okay, in one album she have 53 stickers. In another album she was having 41 stickers. Now the question is how many more stickers she has in her album A. How many more? So we will put all the information together. That means this plus this should be equal to this. Okay, this plus this should be equal to this. Means what? Here we are comparing. This is how much more. This is how much more. We don't need to find the number of any other item बेटा. यहाँ पर हम comparison कर रहे हैं. Okay, comparison means it will be always subtraction. Whenever हम compare करते हैं कि कितने ज़्यादा marks आए, कितना difference. So when we compare between the different students or different people or different things, we go with the subtraction, right? So 53 minus 41. 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. So it will be 12 more. So how many more? 12 more. We are not adding. ये 12 ये बेटा ये इसका एडिशन नहीं है. That means ये कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है या कोई स्टैम्प का नंबर नहीं है. It is only how many more she was having, right? So she was having 12 more stamps in album A compared to album B, right? Now we will have some exercise based on this type of models, right? So that we will see now. Now we will see the exercise 3F, right beta? So I will just do some of the problems, rest you have to solve. First question is, there are two sisters, Ashmita and her sister. Okay, now they want to gift their mother one birthday gift. Okay, they want to give their mother one birthday gift and they have given money to purchase that gift. Okay, now what is given? Some information is already given and we have to find. What information is given? We have been given that the cost Ashmita, how much she gave. Now we have to, whatever the information is given, we have to put in the models. Okay, Ashmita, how much Ashmita has given? Ashmita has given rupees 46, right? Ashmita has given rupees 46 and sister has given rupees 54. Sister has given rupees 54. Now the question is, what was the amount of the gift? How much they have paid for the gift? Okay, so she has given 46, she has given 54. So very simple, the amount of the gift will be addition of these two numbers. So 46 plus 54, 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay beta? So answer, how much they have given? Here it will come 100 and the answer is rupees 100. Okay, so they purchased the gift for rupees 100 in which Ashmita has given rupees 46 and her sister has given rupees 54. Right? Now see question number 3. The question is, 36 children were there at the park. 12 children they already left. So how many are still there? Okay, so what is given? Whatever the information is given, बेटा सबसे पहले उसको यहाँ पे लिख लेना है. तो 36 children already park में हैं. कितने left हो गए? That we have to write. So 12 children are already left. Now the question is, कितने बचे हैं अभी भी? Right? So very easy. If we will subtract, there were 36 children. 12 children already left. So 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. So how many are still there? 24 are still there in the park. Okay, so in this way you have to solve all the other questions in your exercise. Okay, so try your own sums and solve all these questions. Then I'll send you the exercise notes also, so that you can copy. If you have any doubts, we can clear in doubt clearing session. Okay beta, so practice your own sums and bye. Have a nice day.